Elliot's memories. Your creed sickens me. You've been staring for like 30 minutes. Ask him to dance already. Dance? No, I can't. I'm still on the clock and... Elliot, girl, if you don't go out there right now, I swear, I got you covered. But what if he says no? And he's just stupid. Go, shoo. I got this. It'll be fine. I can do it. Hey, everything's tasting alright? Oh, yeah, the pizza's always good. Good, I'm glad. Also, I was wondering if you'd want to dance with me. Be rather not. That's fine, of course. Yeah, sure. I understand if you don't, Elliot. Want to? I totally... Ellie, how long you gonna leave me hanging, huh? Come on. Yona, look! Finally! Now that we're here, I'm kinda nervous. Me too, don't worry. I've heard there's a trick you can use, but it's a little forward. You're not planning to drag me off somewhere, are you? Oh, no, nothing like that. Oh, darn. It's just something really corny. That's fine. I saw that in a movie, and I don't know. Aw, cute. Maybe I shouldn't. Can. Show me. Well, I just need to hold your hands, then, eh? I think the line was, right now, it's just you and me. That was pretty corny. Aw, I knew it. But it worked. Ready to dance now? Definitely. I've had enough of this. Hey, the exploiter! Whoa, what the heck, man?